from the Philippines. Today, I'm from Peking University, and today we'll have a celebration of what you call a water festival. And this is actually the Southeast Asian Cultural Festival today. Songkran is actually a celebration of the New Year. Usually it's celebrated the first day of the New Year. So you kind of splash water with other people, that it's blessing, no? And the spirit of just being happy and welcoming the New Year. So it's not just a family gathering, I think. It's also a gathering of communities and extended family, and even the whole country celebrates. So it's like gathering of one big family, one big country. In a way, country as a family. So that is the essence, I think, of the water festival. Here, it's only sprinkling. Something like that. But in the country like Cambodia, it's not like that. It's really like pouring water on you, or like splashing water on you. Yes, but here we will just do like that. Because here it's too cold.
That is we call Zoji puppets, and this also princess and prince puppet. This puppet is famous since 15th century, best after 18th century. You see?
In the festival, we normally tie our hair with a ribbon, and the style of the Tinjan, we wear the bright color and also tie the hair like that. We need someone to assist, decorate, and tie our hair, so we help each other. This is the sign of our showing the friendships and also the love each other.
Oh, okay. You look good on it. Yeah. Thank you. How do you feel being here in the Southeast Asian Cultural Festival, and what do you think about the diversity?
Actually, I don't know if you know it, but it's also part of the culture in part of China, in Yunnan province. So I think it's wonderful that we have these similarities and also diversity. And I don't know if you have noticed, but I also have some diversity on me today.
Yes.
So the dress is traditional Chinese, and my earrings are from the Philippines.
Yes.
So it's a combination of traditional Chinese and Southeast Asian outfit. And I love it.
I didn't expect it would be such colorful. And I like the music, I like the interpretation, and the explanation was really impressive.
Actually, I don't know about the water festival, but as you organize this outside my most important cultural things, I hope this memory will last forever.
In my country, the Philippines, we also celebrate water festival. The water guns are being used by young people, and they fire at each other. So it's like really splashing water with each other. And sometimes they have a big bucket, and they have a small bucket, and then they will get water and they splash it to you, and you will get wet really. Water festival in Thailand, and you will see the foreigners coming from different countries. They enjoy it a lot, especially the Western one. And you can see them also participating, splashing water, firing water guns, and all of these things. Well, I suggest that they just have fun. They don't need to wear, raincoat. Not necessarily, Just be prepared to be wet, and enjoy the experience. Experiencing Southeast Asia in Peking University, in China, in Beijing. It's like a party. You enjoy, you learn, you enjoy, and you have fun, and you get fed. You experience food. I think Southeast Asian people likes to eat. So that's also one thing.